Hello friends, please welcome, and today I'm sharing with you a switch word and a healing number to stop snoring. Snoring or noisy breathing while sleeping is common, but it is not normal. Snoring is a symptom of a serious condition called sleep apnea, characterized by interrupted breathing while sleeping, which may lead to other health issues. Snoring is also disturbing and irritating to the people who share the same room or bed with the person who is snoring. So let's see the switch word that will help stop snoring. The switch word is quiet, shut. A healing number can also be written on the left body part. The healing number is 2870. Consistent chanting of the switch word and writing the healing number will stop snoring, and the person can have a sound sleep at night. So friends, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're still new to the channel, please subscribe for more such videos.